So inside Wilson Arch, it's a bigger one, very big. This is the one who is very close to the road. One night one. And people are climbing right there. Yeah, boy. I should go back now. It's scary. Hi everyone! I want to show you how I have set up my car to sleep in. It is very useful. I think it's worked very well. So I want to show you what it is. So in the front, the thing that I use while I'm driving. Okay. At the back. Okay. This is all my luggage, and it goes at the front during the night. Right here, I have removed. My father and I have had removed. Sorry, I speak French, so I'm gonna do my best. Remove the back seat and put it this. It is custom. So this is my little bed, sleeping bag, pillow, and this is where I stock the dry food, bottle of water, the fruit out there in the. So today I'm gonna show you how I cook on the trunk of my car. So let's do this. I'm putting that thing to protect. And then start cooking. Let's do this. So in the front, this is the supper. The dishes, the clean and the dirty. Okay, my shoes. So the fridge. As I said before, I have to remove the things. And we'll put it up, and everything is inside. So this is the campsite. I'm going to sleep right there in my car. It's gonna be cold tonight, as you see. It's already cold, but it's okay. So I can also cook in a pan like this, with this little, like that. Oh yes, and tonight, Tucson, Arizona. I'm just making a salad as every evening. I'm doing it right now because I want to eat while watching the sunset. This is my first time at Monument Valley. I can tell you, it's beautiful. It is huge. I didn't make the scenic drive because it was closed, but it's okay. I'm gonna go walking. I like it. So it is all the stuff, codes, whatever I put in this thing because it's easy to move all my stuff for the shower and things like that. This is what I use to cook. I'm gonna show you. So all that I need: toaster, coffee maker, things like that are in there. The toilet for the night. There is not a lot of room, but I can just the bed while I'm sleeping I'm get up and put my feet right there, here, sit there. It's okay, but it's better than nothing. Almost done. I've got a power station in the back of my car, so the fridge is plugged. So in the trunk, the feet of the bed is it's a 6 feet, so it's okay. I'm a 5'6", it's okay. The extra towel and things like that to charge the Jackery, the dirty clothes. And this is it, the Jackery portable station. This is working very well, and when it is empty, when there is no power inside, I can charge it with solar panel or in the plug on a wall or everything else. And you can also plug in while you are driving, and it's gonna be okay. So tonight, Jackery will be, yeah. As you see, I am vegan, so it is what it is for tonight. Yes. And of course, I will mix all this stuff together. That's why I like to do. Yeah, gonna be ready to eat for the sunset. So that's it for the whole tour. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the view too, because it is a beautiful one. I'm gonna see you in the next one.